Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm excited to show you a simple but really important trick for boosting your website's SEO with Wix, writing alt text for your images. If you've ever wondered how to make your site not only look great, but also get found more easily in search engines, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to add and optimize alt text for your images on Wix, and understand why it matters for both accessibility and search rankings. Alright, let's dive right in. First, start by heading over to your Wix web design dashboard. Just log into Wix and open up the editor for your site. This is where all the magic happens. Design, structure, and of course the images you want the world to see. Now, images are a huge part of your website's visual appeal, but to make them work smarter for you, we need to make sure they're discoverable by search engines. And that's where alt text comes in. Next, select an image from your design. You can do this by clicking directly on the image you want to work with in the Wix editor. Don't feel pressured to do them all at once. You can start with just a few images that are really important to your website, not like your homepage banners or key product photos. And just so you know, alt text isn't just for SEO. It's also really important for accessibility, making sure visually impaired visitors, or those using screen readers, can understand what your images are about. Once you've clicked your chosen image, look for the small gear icon or a button labeled Settings. On Wix, this is usually located in the image's mini toolbar or right-click menu. Clicking it will open up more details and options for your image. This part might take a moment if you have a lot of layers or images on a page, so just be patient and make sure you're working with the right image. Now, inside the Settings panel, you'll want to track down the section called What's in the Image. It might be phrased slightly differently depending on your Wix template, but Wix always tries to make this section user-friendly. When you find it, you'll see a text field. This is where you'll write your alt text. You can think of it like giving a helpful nickname or short description to each image so search engines and assistive technology can identify it. Now, let's talk about writing the actual alt text. For instance, if your image shows a group of people boating, simply type boating or a little more detail like group of friends boating on a lake. The goal is to keep it short, direct, and relevant. This is what search engines like Google use to index your images, which means when someone searches for boating or related terms, there's a better chance your site will show up. Alt text won't be visible on your website, but it does all the behind-the-scenes heavy lifting for both SEO and accessibility. And that's it. You've just added alt text to your image on Wix, making it more search-friendly and accessible. The whole process is quick once you get the hang of it, and I really encourage you to go through your site and describe each image clearly. Think of it as setting up road signs for both search engines and site visitors. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video. And if you have any questions about alt text or Wix in general, drop a comment below. I'd love to help you out. Make sure to subscribe for more step-by-step web tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and see you next time!